Welcome back to Eng Pod, my friend. Today, you're about to survive one of the realest English challenges ever, ordering coffee like a native speaker. Yeah, that moment when you're standing in line, your turn is coming, and suddenly your English disappears. Don't worry, today we fix that. In this role play, you are the customer, and I'll guide you step by step. You'll speak, I'll listen, then I'll show you the natural, native version. Ready? Let's walk into the cafe. You walk in, smell that coffee. You step up to the counter, the barista smiles at you. Don't panic, you got this.
Hey, what can I get started for you today?
Good, clear, and confident. But listen to this natural version. Hi, could I get a small latte, please? Hey, can I have an iced coffee with milk? Short, friendly, sounds like a native.
Great! And what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Nice. But here's how natives usually say it. Medium is perfect. Large, please. Short, smooth, no stress. And do you want it hot or iced?
Great choice. I hope you're not like me. I burn my tongue on hot coffee every time.
Do you want anything else? We've got cookies, muffins, banana bread that everyone loves. Perfect. And here are natural ways to respond. Nah, thanks, I'm good. Or, actually, yeah, a chocolate cookie sounds great. Friendly, simple, human. All right, your total is $5.90. You can tap whenever you're ready. Perfect. Your drink will be ready at the counter. You did great. Your English sounded polite, relaxed, and confident. Not like someone who's panicking at the counter. Every time you order coffee, you're not practicing English. You're practicing confidence. Remember yesterday's episode about your first day at the office? This connects perfectly. Small talk, polite phrases, same energy. Quick recap. Today, you learned how to order like a native, choose size and type, respond politely, add extras. Simple, natural, confident. Your challenge for today. Comment or say out loud, what's your go-to coffee order? Speak it, feel it, live it. Eng Pod. See you in the next episode here on Eng Pod.